What are we cooking today, Joyce?
I'm making a custard with beef. I got the frank steak. I'm going to mince it in the food processor. Mince some ginger in it. So thin.
Can you use a mandolin?
Not with mint. I can put it in the food processor. By the time I set up the food processor and clean it, I'm done. Okay, I put this on the side. Cut this small. You here?
Just making sure, Joyce.
It's a nice piece of meat.
Where'd you get that?
China. Now the frank steak is more popular. Chinese people use it to cut it for stir fry. The grain is right, and then the size is right. A lot of Western chefs use it too, and then that's why the price is high. I have to get to the special butcher. Put it in here and mince it. This is how it's done.
Easier to clean.
I don't know about cleaning. Now I'm going to marinate. Stop the water.
The chopsticks, Joyce?
Yeah, but wait till it boils, then I put the chopstick in it. I like ginger, that's why I'm putting ginger in here. Very simple marinade. Little liquid amino. I'm not putting dark soy. A pinch of cornstarch. That's the marinade. 5 eggs. And save the shell. Use the shell for measuring.
So efficient, Joyce.
This might be a double.
No. Oh, 2 yolks?
2 yolks.
How do you know?
Oh no.
Because it's lighter?
It was like elongated. I have one that elongated was double. These eggs are from the Green Market. You have to beat it for a while. I beated it pretty good. You can see that no string. Each egg should be 2 half shell. Instead of 10, I'll put 8. I like my custard a little bit thicker. 1, 2, 3, 8. You beat it up more. Make sure that there's like no string. So we're gonna string it to get rid of the bubble. Because with all this like beating, it creates a lot of bubble. So I'm gonna string it direct to here. I hope that's enough to cover it because I don't have more eggs. Yeah. See, this is all the bubble. You want the egg to be smooth. You don't want bubble. Okay, more meat is good, right? And you want to at least sort of cover. When Chinese people eat, they don't eat that much meat. 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Water boiling. 2 chopsticks, the same height. 1, 2. Put this in. And I'm going to cover. Because the condensation will make custard, the surface not smooth. Let's do like 12 minutes. And then we'll check and we'll adjust. I'm going to turn this off because the steam coming up. See, it's not done. Chopstick is good. Another 5 minutes, I'm going to turn it off and then let the steam do the work for us. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to put some water on the bottom. I don't want to burn my nice wok. That's about 5 minutes. I'm going to turn it off and let it sit. Now it should be done. Isn't that easy? Also, that is a good way to keep it warm. Because if you have a few dishes, this will keep it warm. Liquid amino. For taste. Play it. Not enough, huh? Picture time!